guys, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make this heavy bun which is just perfect for any festive occasion. So without talking too much, let's get started. Now I am securing this bun with the help of U-pins and bobby pins. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot to me. Also, become part of this charming family by subscribing to this channel. Hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye. Take care.